Here is an abandoned steak and shake restaurant. I think it's pretty cool to check out some abandoned places, including restaurants such as this. I'm just gonna do a little video around this whole restaurant. There's some graffiti, as you can see. Drive-through sign, window. I tried to open up the door just a few moments ago and it's locked up. Would like to have gone on in and kind of do a little walkthrough to show you guys more footage. I'll see about getting real close to this window here. There's some more graffiti on the windows. Some tables. Looks like a few chairs were knocked on over. Yeah, there's a little tour from the outside, at least, of an abandoned steak and shake.